Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best H11 bulbs on Amazon. H11 bulbs are single filament halogen bulbs with an L-shaped socket. They are some of the most common bulbs for headlights and fog lights. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb. The balance of price and quality make this a perfect option on a budget. We get it. Sometimes budgets get tight. That in itself is frustrating. Throw in predatory brands that make it hard to know who you can trust, and suddenly it feels like there's no hope. Breathe. We've got your back. This option from Philips is likely just what you need. There's a lot to like about this product, starting with performance. These are an excellent direct replacement for factory lights, as they will shine just as good if not a touch better. They also offer a respectable lifespan of 800+ hours, despite what the cost may lead you to believe. What we like about it? Affordable pricing. Quality of components exceeds expectations of lights in this price range. Brighter than most H11 bulbs in the same price range. What we don't like about it? Relatively short lifespan. Not a major upgrade over stock. Number 2. Sylvania H11 Silverstar Ultra High Performance Bulb. When it comes to high-performance halogen bulbs, Sylvania's Silverstars are tough to beat. Sure, there are more prestigious entries, but the balance of pricing and performance makes them a go-to option for many. Sylvania labels its Silverstar Ultra series as its brightest, most down-the-road light. What we like about it? Brighter than stock. High-quality design and build. Lights produce crisp white light rated at 1345 lumens to increase visibility throughout the entire beam pattern. What we don't like about it? Relatively high price. Number 3. Oxedo H11 LED light bulbs. These bulbs don't fit the mold of the average affordable LEDs because their quality construction backs respectable performance. It's natural to want LED bulbs in place of halogen bulbs. Even if the brightness isn't that great, the jump in lifespan is well worth the investment. Using LED lights can go one of two ways, though. Either you stick to the big money names or you take your chances with the more affordable stuff. In this case, it looks like we found a reasonably priced gem. Despite being less expensive than the premium options, these lights offer respectable performance. They are undoubtedly brighter than most halogen bulbs. They claim to have a lifespan of around 50,000 hours and the full aluminum body, copper baseboard, and built-in cooling fan back that claim up. What we like about it? Level of quality exceeds what pricing may lead you to believe. More affordable than many LED conversions. Exceptionally long lifespan. What we don't like about it? Not as bright as they claim. Quality control issues are common. Number 4. Ala Lighting H8 H9 H11 LED Switchback Fog Lights. These LED lights offer 2 color options and surprisingly good performance for the price. We have another LED option for you to consider. This time we suggest you use these as fog lights if your vehicle calls for H11 bulbs because you can set these up to shine either a white or yellow light. There are 2 things we love about being able to make the change on command. The white offers you improved visibility in inclement conditions, while the yellow serves more as a style update. Furthermore, these are well-built lights that are fairly affordable. They may not be the cheapest option, but the build quality certainly warrants the extra expense. These aren't perfect, though. The complicated install and finicky performance leave many reviewers up in arms. Too many claims of the lights not staying in sync make it hard to ignore the issue. Still, even those who have these issues say they are above average when it comes to overall performance. What we like about it? Very affordable for LED conversions. Lights can produce 2 colors to match the user's preference. Lights are far brighter than most LED conversions at similar price points. What we don't like about it? Complicated setup. Lights tend to fall out of sync. Number 5. Hella H11 2.0 TB Twin Blister Kit. If you want to stick with halogen bulbs, Hella's performance and quality are worth adding to your vehicle. When it comes to your daily driver, you want to make sure you're using good parts. We're not saying you need to buy the most expensive stuff possible, but you'd be wise to avoid the cheapest. What we like about it: OE build quality ensures reliability. Improved visibility over stock. Lights provide symmetrical lighting throughout lifespan. What we don't like about it: price is a little high. Issues with quality control are relatively common. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.